know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look,